lesson 8 for year 13 physics, and this has to do with the modes of vibration in strings and pipes. So the most important frequency is called the fundamental or the first harmonic. This is the frequency with the longest wavelength. Higher harmonics or overtones are exact multiples of the fundamental. So the fundamental is also called the first harmonic. So if it's a string that's closed at both ends, the longest possible wavelength will have this shape so that both the fixed ends have nodes and you will have an antinode in the middle. Now if you look at this is half a wavelength, makes up the length of the string or pipe, and so a whole wavelength is twice the length. And if you need to find frequency, which is V over lambda, you get V over 2L because lambda is equal to 2L. If it is a closed pipe, then the longest possible wavelength has to do with the restrictions of this. So you have to have a node at this end and an antinode. So this is quarter wavelength makes up the length, or lambda is 4L, or F is V over 4L. In an open pipe, you have to have antinodes at both ends and a node in the middle. So this is like 2 quarter wavelengths back to back. That makes up half a wavelength is equal to the length, and you've got lambda equals 2L. And F is equal to V over 2L. Now you will notice that in a closed pipe, the even numbered harmonics are not possible because twice this will have a shape like this, and this is just not possible because you have to have an antinode there. So I'll just scroll through the rest and you can see the shapes and make the links. So your third harmonic, for example, you'll have 3 lots of half wavelengths, and so wavelength is 2L over 3, and you have 3 lots of quarter wavelengths. So 3 lots of quarter wavelengths is the length, so you've got 4L over 3 is your wavelength, and then this one is again 3 lots of half wavelengths. Okay, and then I move on to the next page. Your fourth harmonic, even numbered harmonics not possible here, so this is 4 lots of half wavelength makes up the length, so you've got this, and this is also 4 lots, so you've got 3 halves and then a quarter and a quarter here, and that's the fifth harmonic. So not all harmonics are present, but all overtones are present, and even numbered harmonics are not present in a closed pipe due to the restrictions of the pipe, because it has to have a node at the closed end and antinodes at the open end. So in a closed pipe, only multiples of quarter wavelengths, odd multiples of quarter wavelengths will resonate in a closed pipe.